Hey people, Kiara here for iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason why we promote the $25 business in particular is because it's an affiliate system that is 80% recurring income. You can't find nothing better than that, guys. 80% recurring, you get paid every single month. It's fantastic. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here and see if we got a sale here. Looks like we didn't, but we're going to refresh the page and see what's going on. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. So the first thing we want to do is make sure you guys can get y'all a link. Alright, so get y'all a link. So the first thing, so go down into the description. If you look into the description, you're going to see the first link, incomespeaks.com. You just type it in, or you can just click on the link, any one you want. Either one will work, right? So in the end of the day, it's just a pretty way to pick this link. It's just this link here. I just made it pretty with income with a name. So I just typed that in, and you get to this page here. This page is basically the sales letter of the $25 business. Ultimately, it's a funnel builder for $25, pretty unlimited in general, which is fantastic deal. Also, they give to charity, which is really cool. And yeah, so you can just read this page over, like $20 to $100 monthly commissions for every customer, which is fantastic. So up to $120 monthly commission from each customer. That's crazy. All right, so let's go to Yes I Want In, right? If you want to try this out, put in all your little information right there, blah blah blah. Very simple, very easy. You've done it before. All right. One thing I want to speak on though is HBA Premium. This is training on the traffic, like setting up ads, figuring out which solo ads is the best, how to post, how to set up a podcast, how to blog, stuff like that. They teach you how to do all of that stuff, and it's constantly updated based on what's going on, because you know algorithms change for everything when it comes to, like, especially like blogging. Now that we got AI going on, blogging's done changed and stuff, and so on and so forth, right? And also you get a AI machine that's gonna help you create content. All right guys, emails or whatever you may need. All right, and it's fantastic. You get this for 14 days for free if you use my link, guys. And the coolest part about this, right, is that if you get this for free 14 days and you get a sale in this, you keep that money. You keep that money. You keep that $100, because it's $100 once you get a sale, because it's $125, 80%, $100. So that's fantastic, and I just want to make sure you guys know about that. So anyway, now we need some way to promote the link that we just got. Right now, that's when you go to my second link in my video, which takes you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. And ultimately, My Lead Gen Secrets is something that gives you 100 single leads every single. Hold up first. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Don't mind that. 100 leads every single day. So we're gonna just log into that. That's just maintenance on my internet. I want to replace Mediacom. Honestly, I don't like them that much, but it is what it is. But sorry, I got distracted. But anyway, you get 100 leads every single day, and they are interested in making money online, but they are cold. They don't know you, so you have to constantly email them to get them to know you and stuff. And so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna roll in, and we're just gonna pull up a new email. We're gonna just, I've been creating emails using ChatGPT to send through here. And once you got a bunch of emails, see, look, it saves your emails. It saves your emails, a ton of them. That And I just been making emails from ChatGPT last couple of almost 2 weeks, which is fantastic. And not quite 2 weeks yet, getting there. And that's what we're gonna do again today. And basically what I'm gonna just say is break me another email. It seems to work. What it does is just change the numbers around a little. Okay, $3,000. I'm gonna make it twice as much. I think 6.4, something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out, right? Right. So we do that. We're gonna go to the mailing system. I'm gonna pick this. Oh, 450. Right. Up here, we gotta erase this. That should. It didn't fit the whole email, the whole title didn't. All right. So first and foremost, what we're gonna do, we kind of make these emails the same way. We're gonna copy the whole email. Go to the mailing system. Get rid of the other part here. That and post. Here. Now first thing we're gonna do is get our link that we're gonna be using, guys. Copy, and then you paste it here on the new email here. I'm gonna bold that right there. Boom, boom. Then we delete certain things. Like they're just telling us where to put the link at. So and let's see here. Let's see. I'm gonna italicize this and underline it. Don't hesitate for another money. That's good. Imagine this. Oh, that. Yeah, we're gonna italicize it. Okay. What was the number that I said for this? 645. Okay. This. Okay. I'm gonna bold this. I'm gonna bold these. All capitalized like that. I always like to bold them. Really kind of insane. I think that's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty solid. No issues here. Now, one more thing that I like to do, guys. I like to pop. Make sure that it's in the right place for the send the email. Basically, it'll pop back into place once you move like that. Line popped in like that. Sometimes it's an issue, and this is how you fix it. Get that kind of error when you send the email that you pasted in. Showing you guys how to do it every time, just in case. You might not need to do this, guys. I'm just showing you just in case you have the error. Sometimes you get the error. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to hit perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around the time that people check their emails. So for example, check your emails 8 o'clock every morning. It's gonna pop up into your feed like 7:50, 7:55. You know what I mean? Right at the top. It's trying to get it to the top. So anyway, guys, yeah. And make sure you preview. Make sure your link works, because if your link works, you don't make any money. My link does work, so it went straight to it. All right, good. Send the email. We are done. That's all it takes, guys. You do that every morning. You just copy what I'm doing. You'll make money. All right, guys. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.